Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making barbecue chicken wings in an air fryer. What we need for this recipe are chicken wings, seasonings. I'm going to use salt and pepper, and barbecue sauce, and non-stick cooking spray. So the first step would be to spray the bottom of the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray so the chicken wings don't stick. And next, I will sprinkle the chicken wings with salt and pepper. Then flip them to the other side and season the other side as well. And now I will open the air fryer basket, put the chicken wings in the air fryer. Now the barbecue sauce will be added at a later step. For now, let's put this in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's open the basket. And I'm going to brush the chicken wings with barbecue sauce. So first I do one side and then I will do the other side later. So for now, let's put this in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take out the basket. Look how good they look. And now we will flip them over and brush with barbecue sauce on the other side. And now let's put them back on the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the barbecue chicken wings. They look amazing, perfectly cooked. So easy to make in the air fryer, you'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.